Hello, dear students. How are you all doing? This is Miss Fatin again, and this is a new science video talking about body systems. As you all know, a body system is a machine found inside the body and performs or does a special job. A body system has a special function or a special job in the body. Some of the body systems found in our bodies are the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the digestive. So we talked about these three body systems, and we still need to speak or to learn about the muscular, the skeletal, and the nervous system. Miss Fatin said that a body system has a special job, right? The circulatory system's job is to control the movement of the blood in the body. The respiratory system helps us breathe, and the digestive system turns food into good substances, good things needed by the body, such as vitamins and minerals. Today's video will help you review these three body systems. Let's start first with what's shown in the diagram. It's the circulatory system. You're right. The circulatory system controls the movement of the blood, and an important part of this system is the heart. Excellent. The heart is a muscle found in the chest between the two lungs and a little bit to the left. The job of the heart is to push the blood inside special roads that we call blood vessels. You're right. And there are two types of blood vessels. The red blood vessels called arteries, yes. And the blue blood vessels, which are the veins. The job of the arteries is to carry the blood rich in oxygen and nutrients from the heart to the body system. I need you to look at the arrows right here, okay? Look at these arrows. So the blood is taken from the heart to the body system. Why is that happening? It's because the blood needs to provide the organs with oxygen and nutrients. So the blood is our precious taxi that takes oxygen and nutrients to the body organs. Okay? While veins do the opposite. They take the blood from the body organs and back to the heart. Back to the heart. Why? Because the blood brings trash from these organs. What is an example of waste that the blood carries? It's the carbon dioxide. We do not need carbon dioxide, and our organs need to get rid of it. When the blood is rich in carbon dioxide, the heart will send the blood to the lungs. Okay? Look at the heart. The heart is pushing the blood. The blood moves in the vein and the blue blood vessel and goes to the lungs. Here the blood will give the lungs carbon dioxide and take from them oxygen. Here the blood takes oxygen from these lungs and go back to the heart. And then the cycle will start over again. Look at the lungs. Are the lungs part of the circulatory system? Is Miss Fatin still talking about the circulatory system? No, these lungs are part of the respiratory system. You know that the circulatory and the respiratory system work together. Now the lungs are part of the respiratory system. The respiratory system is made of three parts. We said the lungs, trachea, and nose. This system helps us breathe, and breathing happens in 2 steps. When you take in air, you are taking in oxygen. The air passes from the nose to the trachea and to the lungs. That's what we call inhalation. We are inhaling. When the opposite happens, the air passes from the lungs through the trachea and then outside through the nose. This is exhalation. Is everything clear till now? So the respiratory system is made of 3 parts: nose, trachea, and lungs. We inhale oxygen, we exhale carbon dioxide. We said that the blood that goes in the arteries takes oxygen and takes nutrients to the body organs, right? The blood gets oxygen from the lungs, but where does the blood get the nutrients? From the digestive system, and to be more specific, from the small intestine, okay? The job of the digestive system is to turn food into nutrients. So the job of the digestive system is to turn food into nutrients. So when the food passes through the digestive tract or the digestive machine, it turns into nutrients. What are examples of beautiful, amazing, precious nutrients? Vitamins, proteins, minerals such as calcium, sugars. They are all needed by the body. These are the nutrients needed by the body, and the job of our digestive system is to turn them into nutrients, into good substances. Our digestive system is made of 5 parts: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, which is the orange part, and large intestine. Let's talk in detail about these parts. The mouth, okay, in the mouth, you have the teeth. The teeth cut and chew food. There is also the saliva. The saliva helps in digesting food and helps you swallow the food. The esophagus is just a road. It is the food pipe that takes food from the mouth to the stomach. So for the food to move from the mouth to the stomach, it needs to pass through the esophagus. In the stomach, food looks like a thick liquid. So the stomach will squeeze it and will digest it, and it will turn food into a thick soup, into a thick liquid. The small intestine is our hero. Here, digestion finishes. So digestion ends or finishes in the small intestine, and here the nutrients are ready, and then the blood can come to take the nutrients from here. The blood will pass next to the small intestine. The blood will come near to the small intestine and take nutrients, okay? The large intestine is also important. It is the part that will absorb water from the rest of food. So there is a part of the food that we don't need, right? This food, this undigested and unwanted food will go through the large intestine, and the large intestine will take it and we will lead it to the outside the body, okay? Let's do these questions together. Let's match. So we have 3 body systems: circulatory, respiratory, digestive. What are the functions of these body systems? Let's start with the circulatory system. What's the job of the circulatory system? Food digestion, blood circulation, or respiration? It's the blood circulation for sure. The circulatory system controls the movement of the blood. What about the respiratory system? It is the system that helps us breathe, breathing, or respiration, inhaling and exhaling, respiration. The digestive system digests food. What does Ms. Fatin mean by digestion? Digestion is turning food into nutrients. Turning food into nutrients. An apple is an example of food. Vitamin D, for example, is an example of nutrients. Another question. How many parts is this system made of? Let's start with the circulatory system. 2 parts, excellent. Heart and blood vessels. Heart and blood vessels. What about the respiratory system? 3 parts. Great. What are these 3 parts? Nose, trachea, lungs. Great job. What about the digestive system? The digestive system is made of 5 parts. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. And that's it for today. We finished. If you still have any questions about these 3 body systems, you can ask me. I will be available online each Tuesday at 6 o'clock and each Friday at 3. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.